Hello students, let us learn the computation of mode for statistical data in this video. Mode is a number, mode is a value of the statistical data that is repeated for a quite a number of times or repeated for maximum number of times in a data, or mode is that value which occurs most frequently. ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಒಳಗೆ ಅತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಸಲ ರಿಪೀಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಗೆ ನಾವು ಮೋಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇನ್ ದ ಡೇಟಾ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಪೀಟೆಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್. Sometimes it can be a single value and sometimes it can be more than one values also. If there are 2 or 3 values repeated for the same number of times, it can be called as more than one mode also. Certain data will have bimodal data or trimodal data. But instead of telling that mode is a single value, according to Croxton and Cowden, the mode of a distribution is the value at the point around which items tend to be most heavily concentrated. Instead of calling it as a single value, it is regarded as the most typical of a series of values. Instead of restricting ourselves that mode is a single value, it is that series of values around which the huge of the data, the bulk of the data is repeatedly, heavily concentrated. Let's take an example and try to understand how do we calculate mode for a statistical data. Let us say I am conducting a test for students for 10 marks. The first student got 10 marks. The second student got 9. Again the third student got 10 marks. Then the fourth student got 8. Fifth student got 7. Sixth student got again 10. Seventh student again got 10. Let us say there were only 7 students and this is the statistical data, the numerical data of marks secured by the students in a test. When you observe this data carefully, the number of students getting 10 out of 10 is 1, 2, 3, 4. That means the marks 10 is repeated for 4 times. And if you observe the data, no other number is repeated as much as 10. Therefore, the mode of this distribution is 10. ಅತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಸಲ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಡೇಟಾನ ನಾವು ಮೋಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. And this is ungrouped data, individual series. Suppose if I put this data in the form of a table, see, like the numbers, the marks secured are 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many got 7 marks? 1. How many students got 8 marks? Again 1. How many students got 9 marks? Again 1. And how many got 10 marks? 4. So you can say this is the data X and this is F. That is frequency, the number of times the data is repeated. So in a discrete series, how do you find mode? Mode is that value for which the highest frequency is appearing. If the highest frequency is there for any data, that particular data is called mode. Hence, 10 is the mode in this series. That means mode is that value which appears against the frequency, against the highest frequency. ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಡೇಟಾನ ನಾವು ಮೋಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅನ್ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್, by observing, just by inspection, we can find out which number has occurred many number of times repeatedly. That will become our mode. In case of discrete frequency, that particular x value which has highest frequency against it will be treated as mode. Let us see one more example to find out mode for an ungrouped or raw data, individual series or individual observations data. So these are the numbers given: 2, 7, 10, 15, 10, 17, 8, 10, 2. So this is the data given. Now, when you observe which data is repeated for more number of times, the 10 is repeated for once, twice and 3 times. And ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರು ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟು ಸತಿ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ದ ಮೋಡ್ ಈಸ್ 10 ಹಿಯರ್. ಮೋಡ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು 10. ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಡೇಟಾ ಒಳಗೆ ಅತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಸತಿ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಗೆ ನಾವು ಮೋಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಶೋ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ವೇರ್ ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ನೋ ಮೋಡ್ ಎಟ್ ಆಲ್. ಸಿ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡೇಟಾ the numbers are 12, 10, 15, 24, 30. Not even a single value has repeated more than once. ಎಲ್ಲ ನಂಬರ್ಸು ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸತಿನೇ ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಯಾವುದು ರಿಪೀಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಎನಿ ಮೋಡ್, ನೋ ಮೋಡ್. ದೆರ್ ಈಸ್ ನೋ ಮೋಡಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಡೇಟಾ. ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್, 7 has repeated 1, 2 and 3 times, and once again the number 10 has repeated 1, 2 and 3 times. So 7 has repeated 3 times and 10 also repeated 3 times. So our modes are 7 and 10. Can a statistical series have more than one mode? Yes. Can it have more than one mode? Andre yes. That is called as bimodal series. ಒಂದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮೋಡ್ ಇರಬಹುದಾ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಸ್, ಧಾರಾಳವಾಗಿ ಇರಬಹುದು. ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ನೋ ಡೌಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಟ್. ಸೊ ದ ಮೋಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಈಸ್ 7 and 10. ಸೊ ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಹೌ ಡು ಯು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಮೋಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಿ ಹೌ ಡು ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮೋಡ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್, the highest frequency and corresponding value of x is mode. In this example, if you see, weight is given in grams and the number of ear heads are given, that is frequency. This is x value and that is frequency is given. When you observe the frequency, you have 4, 6, 16, 8, 7, 4. So which is the highest frequency? The highest frequency is 16. So this is the highest frequency, and the value which is appearing against the highest frequency, that will be your mode. In this case, mode is equals to 75, because the number 75 has repeated 16 times. ಅತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಸತಿ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂತಹ ನಂಬರನ್ನೇ ನಾವು ಮೋಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. So the number 75 has repeated for 16 times in this series, hence we should call 75 as the mode of this series. So I hope you understood how do you calculate mode for individual and discrete series. For individual series, just by looking at the data given, just by observing or inspecting the numbers given, you can identify which number has repeated for more number of times. ಯಾವುದು ಅತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಸಲ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೋ ನಂಬರು ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮೋಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಮ್ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ದ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಕೆನ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ವೆನ್ ದೆರ್ ಆರ್ 2 numbers repeated same number of times, you can have 2 modes in that series. And for discrete series distribution, the highest frequency, ಯಾವ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಗೆ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮೋಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ವಿಲ್ ಲರ್ನ್ ಹೌ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮೋಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬೈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ by preparing analysis table also.